Good day, everyone. My name is Ezekiel Gatonio, and you can call me Prof. E. So, the topic that I will discuss today is the different techniques in solving exponent. First, we have the given 3 raised to 6 times 1 over 10 times 5 times 2 over 3. First, we have to solve this. First, we have to copy all the exponent 6 multiply it over 1 over 10 times 5 times 2 over 3. So, to solve this, we have to multiply this, this. So, 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 5, 30. 30 times 2 is 60. And over 10 times 3 is equal 10 times 3 is equals to 30. 60 divided by 30 is 2. So the exponent of this given is 3 raised to 2. To simplify, 3 raised to 2 is equals to 9. For this given naman, 2 raised to 2 times 5, 3 over 5 times 1 half times 5. First, like nang ginawa natin dito, copy na lang uli natin lahat ng exponent. We have 2 multiplied by 3 over 5 times 1 half times 5. Gaya ng ginawa natin dito, numerator, numerator, denominator to denominator. Okay. 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 5 is 30 over 5 times 2 is 10. 30 divided by 10 is 3. Simplify this. The exponent of 2 is 3. 2 cubed is equals to 8. This is the final answer. Ano naman if may ganitong given fraction with negative exponent? First, we have to do is to reciprocate this denominator and numerator para maging positive yung exponent natin. This will become 7 over 6 squared. And simplify na. 7 times 7 tapos 6 times 6. 7 times 7 is 49 and 6 times 6 is 36. This is the final answer for that given. Next naman is 3 over 4. Nagaya ng ginawa natin, reciprocate. This will become, or pagpapalitin lang natin yung numerator tsaka denominator. This will become 4 over 3 cube. Kaya naging positive yung exponent natin kasi reciprocate natin. So, 4 times 4 times 4. Ang ibig sabihin ng cube dito is tatlong beses natin siyang i-times sa kanyang sarili. Tsaka sa denominator naman is 3 times 3 times 3. This will become 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 4, 64. And 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3 is 27. This will become the final answer. For this this given naman, mix number siya. So, kailangan mo natin siyang i-transform into improper fraction. To do this, we have to multiply the denominator to 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 6, then 6. Yung kinalabasan doon, ipa-plus natin sa numerator. 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Then, copy lang natin yung denominator na 3. And pagtapos niyan, kagaya ng proceed na tayo sa ginawa natin dito, we have to reciprocate. This will become 3 over 7 squared. Sabihin ng squared, dalawang beses siyang ita-times sa kanyang sarili. 3 times 3 over 7 times 7 is equals to 39 over 49. This is the final answer. This one naman, katulad ng ginawa natin dito, we have to multiply the numerator to 1. Sorry. We have to multiply the denominator to 1, 4, then plus the kinalabasan doon sa numerator. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7, then copy the denominator. Then proceed to reciprocate 4 over 7 cube. And 4 times 4 times 4, 7 times 7 times 7 is equals to 4 times 4, 16 times 4, 64 over 7 times 7 times 7 is equals to 343. That's the solving for fraction with negative exponent. Solving exponential function naman tayo. Paano naman to? May exponential function na. First, we have the given 9 raised to x plus 1 is equals to 81. So first, this we have to know the parts. The 9 is the base. Yung sa taas naman nun, yung x plus 1 is the exponent. First, ang gagawin natin, we have to same base. 9. Copy lang muna natin yung itong 9 raised to x plus 1. And yung 81 naman, ano kayang factor ng 81? Kailangan same base siya, which is 9 squared. 9 squared or 9 times 9 is equals to 81. Then kapag parehas na yung base natin, parehas na siya, di ba? We have to solve for x na. So exponent na yung natin, yung isi-solve natin. We have x plus 1 is equals to 2. To simplify this, transpose 1 sa kabila. So this will become x is equals to 2 minus 1. Positive siya, kapag niliban natin magiging negative. X, this will become 1. Paano naman dito naman tayo? Same base na siya. Gagawin na lang natin, dahil same base na siya, solve for the exponent, diretso tayo. We have 4. 4 is equals to x plus 2. At dito siya kinukuha natin dito next, we have to transpose 2 sa kabila. This will become 4 minus 2 is equals to x. 4 minus 2 is 2. So x is equals to 2. Ito naman sa kabila. 9 raised to 3x is equals to 729 raised to x plus 3. So, katulad nung given number 7, hindi siya same base. So, hanap ulit tayo ng factor ng 7 to 9. Sa 9 pa din siguro yan. 9 pa din yan, alam ko. So, I think, copy lang muna natin to. Is equals to 9 cube. Cube na. Kasi Kasi 9 cube is 729. Then, we have to multiply this one. Gagawa tayo ng parenthesis. 1 plus 3. Di agad tayo magsisolve for x niyan kasi we have to simplify this muna. So, kabilang muna natin to. Is equals to 9 cube. 3 times x. 3x. And 3 times 3 is plus 9. So, okay na, na-simplify na natin siya. Solve for the value of x na tayo. So, 3x is equals to 3x plus 9. So, combine line terms muna tayo. Transpose this one. This will become 3x minus 3x is equals to 9. 3x minus 3x is x is equals to 9. So, the value of x for this given is 9. Number 10 naman tayo. We have the given 9 raised to negative x is the last given 9 raised to negative x is equals to 1 over 27. Ano naman to? May negative exponent tayo. May naging fraction yung isang given natin. So, first, we have to reciprocate muna to. Reciprocate. Kagaya ng ginawa natin kanina. Dun sa unang given, i-reciprocate natin. This will become 27. Kapag exponent naman, pag reciprocate natin, magiging negative. Magkakaroon ng negative 1 sa exponent. Then, hindi pa siya same base. We have to make it same base muna. So, sa 3 tayo. 3 squared times na agad natin siya, diretso na. Magiging this will become na 3 raised to negative 2x. And this one naman, 3 cube. 3 times 1 is negative. So, diretso natin para mabilis. Solve for value of x na tayo. Negative 2x is equals to negative 3. Since parehas na silang walang same, pwede na natin siyang diretso. It's become cancel. Divide both sides by negative 2 para makancel. X is equals to negative 3 over negative 3 is positive 3 over 2. Yeah, that's all. Thank you very much for listening. Bye.